Okay, so when you click on and make your own copy of the results, the way that you're going to be able to filter is then, we're just going to look at Aspen Crossing up here, is once you click in one of these cells, so anywhere that goes from like column B, and in this case column F, you just need to click on any of these boxes inside, and you'll see this report editor come up on the far right. So I'm just going to real quickly X out of what it is that we have, and you're going to see, and not that it's deleted, but now none of that content is there. And so we're going to tell Google what it is that we want to look at. So the first thing is we're going to say what rows we want to see. So let's just start off by saying we want to look at the presidential pieces coming in. So the row will be all of the different presidential candidates. So now we're going to look at the columns, and in this case the fields that we're going to look at, and probably in every case that you're going to look at, we're going to want to filter by grade level. So now we'll see that up on the top going horizontally is grade level, and then vertically in these, with the different rows are the presidential candidates. Now on the bottom here, the values, we have to now put in the data from whatever it is that we put in for the rows. So in this case, we're going to select president again since we put president in the first time, and it's going to pull that data. But now this is where it's going to get a little interesting, is, and you can see this right where my cursor is, that it's getting a sum, and we need to change that, and for all of them you're going to see this to go to count A. And once you say count A, it's going to really pull in that data, and now you're able to see, and in this case we had 2nd grade and 5th grade report out, and you'll be able to filter it through that way. So we're going to just practice this again. I'm going to go to a different school. I'm going to go to Greenwood over here, and I want to change the view, and instead of seeing the presidential candidates, this time I want to change that, so just X out. I'm going to add field. Let's say I want to go to U.S. Senator, and I need to make sure that my values are displaying U.S. Senator. So I'm going to go back into values, U.S. Senator, change it from sum to count A, and we are reporting how Greenwood voted for that. So we just need to make sure your rows and your values match, and we need to make sure that you are summarizing by count A. And if you do that, you will be able to filter at any level by any of the pieces that were found in the ballot. Hope you and your students enjoy seeing the results of our district.